I just spilt coffee on me. Can you tell where? Look at this. Finally, Amanda's starting to get some fashion sense. That is a good look, honey. Don't you let anyone tell you otherwise. Giving away our trade secrets here. Vegetable.
Lots of fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables and tofu, usually hard, but we got the wrong one.
Stuffed up. This is the silken.
Problem was...
Gas just went out.
The problem was neither of us had our glasses when we went shopping.
See, one of us has to take our glasses when we go shopping. Because we can't read.
Otherwise, who knows what we buy.
Correct. And this is how we change gas.
It's very technical.
Not in the bit.
Oh no, that's because that's not right. Okay. Edits. Don't put that in. Actually, I'm the one that does the editing, so I can put it in where I like.
I wouldn't know how to edit.
I'm not sure what happened, but Tim picked up the GoPro and for some reason the audio is not working. So really what he wanted to tell you was we were at a place called Waverley Creek Rest Area, which was a really nice stop in between kind of Rockhampton and Mackay. And look at this. He has made the most amazing, incredible, exceptional fly screens. So he just bought some fly screen stuff from Bunnings, some magnets, put some tape around the edges. Well, I cut it to size first and put tape around the edges. Look at that craftsmanship. They really work really well. They do keep all the bugs out. So he did a pretty good job, old handy Tim. And look, we've got one each for the side doors and one for the back door. So we just put them on when we need them. See those great magnets? All from Bunnings. I'm going old school, so reading a book, because we had no internet that night. And the best thing about these fly screens, which you're going to see in a moment, and this is what we want you to comment on to see, settle a bet. Are these fly screens see-through or not? Amanda thinks they're not see-through. Tim thinks they are. Amanda thinks that you can just stand behind them and get changed. And no one will see you. What do you reckon?
And look, it doubles as a change room. Amanda.
You can't see through there.
You're naughty. Look at that. You can't see through it, honey. Nah, you wouldn't even know you were there.